Hi, I'm James,
I'm Alex.
and we've created Emote. It's a website that checks your messages to identify positive and negative elements, then helps you fix them, so your message is always the one you mean to send.
Yeah, we were sitting down, virtually of course, and talking about how difficult digital communication is when we're stuck at home. When you're sending someone an email or a text because you can't see each other face to face, it's tough to tell what people mean. It can be really ambiguous when you're making a joke or an offhand remark, and it's easy to sound negative in an email when you don't want to be. In these times, it can be hard to stay positive and upbeat.
And the question is, how do you fix that?
That's where Emote comes in. It's for anyone who writes anything digitally. So when you're sending an important email to your boss or friend, you know exactly how it will be perceived.
So picture this, you're sending an email to your boss.
A really important email.
Right, sales numbers are in for the quarter, but you haven't made them yet. However, there are some positives. Emote helps you focus on those.
Wow, this message is shaping up to be really negative. That's what all the red means. But that's easy to fix with Emote. I'll start by taking a look at the suggestions. This will suggest replacement words to make up the message and turn it to be more positive, or negative if I select that. Let's implement the suggestions shown in the tooltip.
And look at all that green. By implementing the suggestions, taking out negative sentences, and with some minor editing, Emote has changed the entire tone of the message, making the user into a company hero.
But how does it work? The front end is a React app built with a semantic UI CSS library, served up by a Python Flask server running in the cloud. When a user types a message, a couple of things happen. First, the message is sent using a REST API running on the Emote Flask server. The server then uses the CenticNet 5 database to determine some basic information about the message, then makes another call to the Azure Text Analytics AI service. This allows us to determine crucial information like how positive or negative the message is, and extracts keywords. That data is returned to the front end in the response to the initial API call.
The front end uses that data to highlight sentences and determine which words are important enough to suggest changes to a user on request, using the Datamuse API.
The site is fully responsive, meaning it works on tablets and phones. This was a very difficult project because it involved connecting so many different pieces of generated data and presenting them in a usable way.
As more communication becomes digital, we need new ways to address online problems. With the power of artificial intelligence, Emote empowers users to take control of their messages.